Please look at this chart. Here you can see how connectors connected between each other. Let's take a look on connector. Here we get minus wire from the left side, plus wire from the right side, and two data wires. How to take the wire off the connector? To make it, you just need slightly push, and it can be easily pulled out. Sure. Same way you can pull it back. Please look one more time on the scheme. Here you got a common minus wire. From the wire they go a small wire to the connector, the minus and the plus. Data connectors connected between each connector from, for example, this third wire will go here to the center. And the same, this third wire will go to the second place here. In your case, you just need to replace one of your connector with a new one. That's all. Thanks.